Ayaw rin sa putol.
Galex. Parang Galex. Dito kami, pumasok kami dyan sa parking. Dito, sa likod pa si Boss G.
Make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never wished, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely.
Yan yung karga ni Boss G, kawawa si Boss G. Nakababa yung likod, ang bigat. Mga fragile. Yan yung kinarga, kinuha namin dito sa Cagayan de Oro. So mamaya pa kami aalis. Madami pa to actually, pero hindi na kaya ng sasakyan. Kaya isakay nila sa bus yung iba. So ito lang yung dadalhin namin sa Oroqueta. Nandito kami ngayon sa dito ako sa parking nila. Mabigat. Laban lang, Boss G. Bali, kinakabahan ako kay pagbabiyahin namin ngayon ni Boss G kasi mabigat yung talaga namin. Tapos malayo, Cagayan de Oro to Oroqueta. So uwi pa ako ng parking. Yung preno namin ni Boss G, nanipis na, ayan o. Yung kunti na parang na lang, yung walis ting-ting na lang yung natitira. Kailangan ng palitan. Actually may pampalit naman tayo, hindi ko lang pa naikabit. So ayan o, manipis na. So kailangan magdandahan. Pagkadating sa ako na to papalitan. Lalaban lang tayo, ha. Tayo sa SM downtown nakapark. Welcome to my vlog. Dito tayo sa SM downtown. Pasyal muna tayo, pasyal. Sa Cagayan de Oro. 7 years yung last nating punta dito. Ngayon lang ulit nakabalik after 7 years.
we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife.
Kontritra dito. I-vlog ti ka.
I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love were there for really
Pauwi na tayo galing Cagayan de Oro. Kumain ako ng balut.
Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old.
Yes, nagdiskarga tayo sa Oroqueta. So late na.
I only see my goals. I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we compete before I leave